In a desolate city, Anna sits alone on a crumbling stoop. The oppressive gray of the city surrounds her, walls adorned with graffiti and barbed wire. Anna begins to sing, her voice hesitant at first, then growing stronger. With each line, her voice gains confidence, filling the empty street. As Anna sings, "I've got a spark and it's burning loud," a nearby streetlight flickers. The streetlight casts a warm glow around her, a beacon in the darkness. In a refugee camp, a boy finds solace as Anna's melody fills the air, a faint smile touching his lips amidst the harsh surroundings. An elderly woman in a nursing home is surrounded by quiet stillness, her weary face illuminated by a smile sparked by the music. Activists stand together, their voices raw yet spirits high, empowered by the song that fortifies their peaceful protest. Shining brighter than a restless crowd, the melody echoes, weaving through scenes of resilience and hope. "Love is the solution," the lyrics declare, underscoring the quiet strength found in moments of connection and unity. The song's message unites them all, shining as a beacon of hope and love. A boundless field unfolds, a tapestry woven with people from every nation, united in a circle that kisses the horizon. Anna, a beacon of hope, raises her hands on a makeshift stage, beckoning the multitude into a symphony of unity. The collective voice swells with the anthem, "I want to start a world peace revolution," a declaration echoing across the land. As the song soars, doves ascend, their white wings painting the sky with strokes of peace and promise. Anna's face is illuminated by tears of joy and unwavering resolve, a testament to the power of collective dreams. The camera focuses on Anna's face, a mixture of tears and determination reflecting in her eyes.